What if I told you there's a plant that can survive low light, needs almost no water, and still makes your home look expensive and modern? Meet the ZZ plant, the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it plant that thrives even when you don't try. But here's the truth. Most people grow it wrong. And that's why it stays small, dull, or even dies. Today, I'm sharing 12 powerful ways to grow ZZ plants faster, fuller, and healthier, whether inside your home or out in your garden. These simple tips can completely transform your plant from basic to stunning. Let's get started! 1. Choose the right spot. The placement of your ZZ plant can completely change how it grows. While this plant is famous for tolerating low light, that doesn't mean it thrives in darkness. If you want lush, vibrant growth with shiny leaves, bright indirect light is the key. Place your ZZ plant near a window where sunlight is filtered through curtains or reflected off walls. Avoid direct sunlight, especially harsh afternoon rays, because they can scorch the leaves and leave brown marks. On the other hand, if your plant is kept in a very dark corner, it may survive, but growth will slow down dramatically, and the stems can stretch out in a weak, leggy way. If you're growing ZZ plants outdoors, choose a shaded patio or balcony where they are protected from direct sun, but still receive natural light. The goal is balance, not too dark, not too bright. Think of it this way. The better the light, without being harsh, the faster and healthier your ZZ plant will grow. This is the foundation of everything else you do. 2. Don't overwater. Overwatering is the #1 reason ZZ plants fail. These plants have thick underground rhizomes that store water, which means they are naturally drought tolerant. When you water too often, the roots sit in soggy soil, leading to rot. And once rot starts, it's very hard to save the plant. Instead of following a strict watering schedule, pay attention to the soil. Let it dry out completely before watering again. Depending on your environment, this could mean watering every 2 to 3 weeks indoors, or slightly more often in hot outdoor conditions. When you do water, do it thoroughly. Let water flow out of the drainage holes, ensuring the entire root system gets hydrated. Then leave it alone until the soil dries again. A good trick is to lift the pot. If it feels light, it's probably time to water. If it still feels heavy, wait a few more days. Remember, ZZ plants prefer being underwatered rather than overwatered. Less is more. 3. Use well-draining soil. The type of soil you use plays a huge role in your ZZ plant's health. Regular garden soil or dense potting mix can hold too much moisture, which increases the risk of root rot. That's why well-draining soil is essential. A cactus or succulent mix works perfectly because it allows water to pass through quickly while still retaining just enough moisture for the plant. You can also create your own mix by combining potting soil with sand, perlite, or pumice to improve drainage. Good soil doesn't just prevent problems. It encourages stronger root growth. When roots have access to air as well as moisture, they grow healthier and support faster leaf development. If your ZZ plant seems to stay wet for too long after watering, that's a sign your soil needs improvement. Repotting into a better draining mix can make a dramatic difference. Think of soil as your plant's foundation. Get it right, and everything else becomes easier. 4. Pick the right pot. Choosing the right pot is just as important as choosing the right soil. A pot without drainage holes is one of the fastest ways to damage a ZZ plant. Without proper drainage, excess water has nowhere to go, leading to soggy roots and eventual rot. Always choose a pot with drainage holes at the bottom. This allows water to escape and keeps the soil from staying overly wet. Terracotta pots are especially great because they absorb moisture from the soil, helping it dry out faster. Size also matters. Avoid using a pot that is too large, as it holds more soil and retains more water than the plant needs. A slightly snug pot is ideal for ZZ plants because it prevents excess moisture buildup. If you love decorative pots without holes, use them as outer covers. Keep your plant in a nursery pot with drainage and place it inside the decorative container. The right pot creates a safer environment for your plant, reducing risks and promoting steady growth. 5. Let it dry. Between watering patience is key when caring for a ZZ plant. One of the best habits you can develop is allowing the soil to dry completely between watering sessions. This mimics the plant's natural environment, where periods of dryness are common. Before watering, always check the soil. Insert your finger about 2-3 inches deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If there's still moisture, wait a few more days. This simple check can prevent most common problems. Constantly wet soil suffocates roots and invites fungal diseases, while dry periods encourage stronger, more resilient root systems. If you're unsure, it's always safer to wait rather than water too soon. ZZ plants are forgiving when underwatered but struggle to recover from overwatering. By mastering this one habit, you'll already be ahead of most plant owners. It's a small step that makes a huge difference. 6. Keep it warm. ZZ plants thrive in warm, stable environments. Ideally, they prefer temperatures between 18 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, which makes them perfect for indoor living in most homes. Cold temperatures can slow growth and even damage the plant. Avoid placing your ZZ plant near air conditioners, cold drafts, or open windows during cooler weather. Sudden temperature changes can stress the plant and cause yellowing leaves. If you're growing ZZ plants outdoors, make sure they are protected from cold nights or seasonal drops in temperature. Bringing them indoors during colder months can help maintain their health. Warmth encourages active growth, allowing the plant to produce new shoots and leaves. When combined with proper light and watering, a stable temperature environment helps your ZZ plant reach its full potential. Think of warmth as comfort. When your plant feels comfortable, it grows better. 7. Feed. Occasionally. While ZZ plants are low maintenance, a little feeding can boost their growth. During the growing season, spring and summer, use a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. This provides essential nutrients that support new leaves and stronger stems. Avoid over-fertilizing, as too much can burn the roots and cause damage. Always dilute the fertilizer according to instructions and apply it after watering, not on dry soil. In fall and winter, you can reduce or completely stop feeding since the plant naturally slows down its growth during this time. Fertilizing isn't mandatory, but it can make a noticeable difference in how full and vibrant your plant looks. Think of it as giving your plant an extra push when it needs it most. With the right balance, your ZZ plant will reward you with lush, healthy growth. 8. Clean the leaves. Dust may seem harmless, but it can block sunlight and reduce your plant's ability to photosynthesize. Over time, this can slow growth and make the leaves look dull. To keep your ZZ plant looking its best, gently wipe the leaves with a damp cloth every few weeks. This removes dust and restores their natural shine. Avoid using harsh chemicals or leaf shine products, as they can clog the pores of the plant. Simple water is enough to keep the leaves clean and healthy. Cleaning also gives you a chance to inspect your plant for pests or damage, allowing you to catch problems early. Shiny leaves aren't just about appearance. They're a sign of a healthy, thriving plant. 9. Propagate easily. One of the most rewarding parts of owning a ZZ plant is the ability to create more plants from a single one. Propagation can be done through leaf cuttings or by dividing the rhizomes. Leaf cuttings are simple. Just place a healthy leaf in soil or water and wait for roots to develop. This process takes time, sometimes several months, but the result is worth it. Division is faster. When repotting, you can separate the rhizomes and plant them individually. Each section will grow into a new plant. Propagation not only saves money, but also allows you to expand your indoor garden or share plants with friends. It's a slow but satisfying process that turns one plant into many. 10. Rotate the plant. Plants naturally grow toward light, and ZZ plants are no exception. If left in one position for too long, they can become uneven or lopsided. To keep your plant balanced, rotate it every few weeks. This ensures all sides receive equal light and grow evenly. Rotation is especially important for indoor plants placed near windows, where light comes from one direction. This small habit improves the overall shape and appearance of your plant, making it look fuller and more symmetrical. Consistency is key. Just a quick turn now and then can make a big visual difference. 10. Rotate the plant. Plants naturally grow toward light, and ZZ plants are no exception. If left in one position for too long, they can become uneven or lopsided. To keep your plant balanced, rotate it every few weeks. This ensures all sides receive equal light and grow evenly. Rotation is especially important for indoor plants placed near windows, where light comes from one direction. This small habit improves the overall shape and appearance of your plant, making it look fuller and more symmetrical. Consistency is key. Just a quick turn now and then can make a big visual difference. 11. Prune when needed. Pruning helps maintain the health and appearance of your ZZ plant. Remove yellow, damaged, or old leaves to encourage new growth. Use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to make precise cuts. This prevents damage and reduces the risk of infection. Pruning also improves air circulation around the plant, which helps prevent pests and diseases. Don't be afraid to trim. ZZ plants are resilient and can recover quickly when cared for properly. A well-pruned plant not only looks better but also grows stronger over time. 12. Be patient. ZZ plants are known for their slow growth, but that doesn't mean they aren't thriving. With the right care, they steadily develop into full, lush plants over time. Patience is essential. Instead of expecting rapid changes, focus on consistent care, proper light, watering, and environment. Over time, you'll notice new shoots emerging from the soil and leaves becoming thicker and shinier. These small changes add up to a beautiful, mature plant. Growing a ZZ plant is a long-term journey, but the results are worth it. Sometimes the best growth happens slowly. And there you have it. 12 simple yet powerful ways to grow a thriving ZZ plant at home or in your garden. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more plant care secrets. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, the secret to beautiful plants isn't doing more. It's doing the right things consistently. See you in the next video.